po kayo tatalon.
Tatalon kami!
So, ako bahala niyo. Walang tatalon. Diyan lang kayo.
And you see me though? Actually, you know what? You guys, they have the best seat. They can actually see my boobs. Can you see my boobs? Okay. Now, I want to dedicate this collection of songs to my wonderful mother who has fallen in love. Can I just tell you the story of my mother and my father and how they've fallen in love? Mamaya, mga 30 minutes. My father was actually, he was into everything. My father was a singer, he was an inventor, he was a construction worker, and he would be assigned all over the Philippines. And that time, he was assigned in Leyte. And in Leyte, during that time, walang kuryente. So, ang pastime po ng mga tao ay pagbilog ang buwan, naglalabasan sila sa bahay, may bitbit na gitara at nagkakantahan. Isn't that cute? It's so simple, it's so wonderful. And one night, my mother was, of course, she plays the guitar and the piano, and she was playing the guitar that time. Eh, merong isang salta galing Manila. Sabi ng mga barkada, uy, ikaw, kanta ka. Oh, ito si Jerry, kakanta to. Taga Maynila to. And that's how they met. And that's how they fallen in love. Most wonderful thing in the world, right? It is the best gift God has ever given us, right? You begin to, it's wonderful because falling in love, oh my God, it's the best feeling. You have butterflies, di ba? Pag nakikita mo, kahit batok pa lang, you get kilabot all over, right? You can't sleep, thinking of this person, you can't eat. So, actually, ayaw mo rin kumain kasi gusto mo, payat ka. Kasi papakyut ka eh. Ganun talaga. Tapos yung tulalay, alam niyo yung tulalay? Tulalay. Konti na lang tumulo na yung laway. Alam mo, pag nakikita ko si Ayon at si Meme, ganyan sila. Si Meme yung... Meme, showtime na. Ganon ka-in love si Meme. Pero in fairness kay Ayon, may kakaiba ding tulalay. Patagilid. Patagilid yung tulalay niya. To make a long story short, you're always inspired, you're always happy because you're falling in love. Diba? And ano man ang feeling na hatid ng pagmamahal sa ating lahat, minsan may pagkakataon na it makes you literally crazy.
Nagagaling na yung dalawa.